This iteration of Gilas Pilipinas national team ay ibang-iba sa mga nakasanayan nating mga Gilas team nung panahon pa ni Coach Hat Reyes. Gone are those days na nakasandal tayo sa ating mga guards at taga-set lang ng pick at rebounder lang ang mga big men. Ito na ang golden age ng Gilas na kung saan it is expected na gugulatin ni Kai Sotto, Justin Brownlee at Coach Tim Cone ang buong mundo. Well, yan ang ating pag-uusapan in this video at panoorin hanggang dulo. Baka isa ang iyong comment sa aming babasahin. Pero bago yan, ay meron muna tayong pag-giveaway.
Hey, hey, hey! Attention mga kapatrol! Get ready for an epic giveaway! Once Express Info hits 150k subscribers, one lucky winner will win the incredible Oppo Reno 11F 5G smartphone. Here's how to join. Step 1. Subscribe to Express Info right now. Step 2. Like this video. Then step 3. Comment anything good and positive about our idol Kai Sotto. Super easy. Just subscribe, like, and comment.
Kung noon ay nakasandal tayo sa ating mga great point guards na katulad ni Jimmy Alapag, Jason Castro, Mark Baroka, Paulie, Terrence Romeo, and before them, sina Hector Calma, Johnny Abarrientos, and Olsen Rosella, lahat sila ay mga point guards na below 6 feet. At ito na ang malaking kaibahan ngayon sa panahon ni Coach Tim Cone. Kinuha niya ang lahat ng mga matatangkad na players at pinaburan niya ang mga big men like Carl Tamayo, Mason Amos, and Kevin Kembao over the prolific and athletic guards like Robert Bolick, Rance Abando, and shooters like Matthew Wright and Jordan Hiddink. At pinili ni Coach Tim Cone na magbuo ng napakatangkad na team with Kai Sotto as the anchor in defense and Justin Brownlee the go-to guy in offense. Ito na ang pinakamatangkad na Gilas lineup dahil kahit ang ating mga guards ay pawang mga 6-footers rin at napaka-athletic pa and great defender. Ang ating mga wing players ay kung noon sila ang mga center standing 6'6", pero ngayon ay sila na ang ating mga wing players at lahat ng mga players can play multiple positions. The biggest asset ng Gilas ngayon ay ang versatility. Pwedeng maglaro ng small ball, pero pwede rin maglaro ng extra huge ang tall starting 5. At hindi malayong makakuha ang Gilas ng 2 panalo sa Olympic qualifying tournament at gugulatin ni Kai Sotto, Justin Brownlee at Coach Tim Cone ang mundo. At eto na ang shoutout na hinihintay niyo mga kapatrol. Shoutout at Alan Briones. Trust the process. Go Kai. Next destination is NBA. Shout out at RB Artiang. Kai can show his new strength and conditioning through these practice sessions with different teams, starting with the Taiwan team in front of our kababayans. Shout out at Joe Paras. Kai, hard work, good things come to those who hustle. Good luck. God bless. Shout out at Eduardo Yabes. I just trust Coach Tim Cone. Kaya niya ilabas ang galing ng player. Especially kay Sotto. Go Kai! Shout out at Jay Macanip. Go Kai! Kau na ang main man ng Gilas. Showcase your talents this Olympic qualifying tournament. Shout out at Samuel Rosario. Just stay near rim Kai at lakasan ang katawan. At balitang NBA naman. Jaylen Brown nagbigay ng komento sa Instagram post ni Jason Tatum. Unang NBA championship ni Jason Tatum at Jaylen Brown nang talunin ng Boston Celtics ang Dallas Mavericks sa score na 106-88 sa Game 5 ng Finals. After the game, Jason Tatum made a post to Instagram that has over 620,000 likes and 12,000 comments in less than 5 hours. Jason Tatum captioned his post, "Let's talk about it." And one person who left a comment was Jaylen Brown. His comment had over 18,000 likes in less than 5 hours. Jaylen Brown wrote, "Greatest of all time." Nagtapos si Jason Tatum sa Game 5 with 31 points, 8 rebounds, 11 assists and 2 steals, while shooting 11 of 24 from the field and 1 of 7 from the 3-point range in his 45 minutes of action. At via NBA history, Jason Tatum is the 6th player in NBA history to record 30-plus points and 10-plus assists in an NBA Finals clinching game, joining Jerry West, Walt Frazier, James Worthy, Michael Jordan, and Stephen Curry. At si Jaylen Brown naman ay nagtapos ng may 21 points, 8 rebounds, 6 assists, and 2 steals, while shooting 7 of 23 from the field and 2 of 9 from the 3-point range in his 44 minutes of playing time. At si Jaylen Brown ang nanalo ng 2024 NBA Finals MVP. Via NBA TV, Jaylen Brown wins Finals MVP. 20.8 points per game, 5.4 rebounds per game, 5 assists per game. Sina Jaylen Brown at Jason Tatum ay naging magkakampi sa loob ng 7 seasons. At sa nasabing season, kanilang napanalunan ang NBA title, 2 beses na nakarating sa NBA Finals, at 5 beses na umabot sa Eastern Conference Finals. They have also made a combined 8 NBA All-Star Games. At si Jason Tatum ay pumuto sa playoff record ni Kobe Bryant sa NBA Finals ayon sa ulat mula sa NBC Sports Boston. The late great Kobe Bryant is one of Jason Tatum's favorite players, and in Game 5 of the 2024 NBA Finals, the Boston Celtics superstar broke one of the Hall of Famers playoff records. Jason Tatum, 31 points, and Boston Celtics championship clinching win gave him 2,711 career points in the playoffs, which is the most of any player aged 26 or younger. Kobe Bryant was the previous record holder with 2,694 points in 119 games for the Los Angeles Lakers. At ito ang most playoff points aged 26 or younger. First, Jason Tatum, 2,711 points in 113 games played. Second, Kobe Bryant, 2,694 points in 119 games played. And third, LeBron James, 2,578 points in 92 games played. Napakabihira para sa isang player sa edad ni Jason Tatum na magkaroon ng napaka-impressive playoff resume.